everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing my organic vegan tanning routine with you. I'm not going to sit here and show you how I apply my tan. I think it's pretty obvious how you apply tan, but I'm going to talk you through my top products, including skin prep through to tanning of the face and the body. All of the products today are from the EcoTan or the Eco by Sonia Driver range. The Eco by Sonia Driver range is more the skincare side of EcoTan, but they're all part of the same brand. So I'm going to talk you through my favorite products, how I like to use them, and a few tips along the way. So before you can tan, you really need to prepare your skin very well, because if you have dry, flaky skin, patchy skin, old tan, it doesn't matter how well you apply the new tan, it's not going to look anywhere near as nice as it would if you start with a nice clean canvas. So the trick with skin prep is you want to do it the day before. The reason being is you don't want to have any skin irritation or any residue left from your skin prep products too close to when you're tanning, because it will affect how the tan applies and it could possibly irritate your skin if you're using a scrub such as this just before you apply the tan. So this is a pink Himalayan salt scrub, and it's fantastic. It is a dry body scrub. You can also use it on your face, but I personally prefer to stay away from abrasive products on my face. I am an aggressive scrubber and I don't know when to stop, so I will stick to my body with these type of products. So obviously the exfoliant in here is the pink Himalayan salt, but it also has a lot of beautiful oils and things like lemongrass, coconut oil, and I think it has pink grapefruit as well, which will assist with cellulite and skin pigmentation and just evening everything out to give you a nice beautiful canvas to apply your tan. So this is to be used dry because it does have the oils in it. You don't need to use this in the shower. I like to use this before I jump in the shower, focusing on those really dry areas like your knees, your feet, the back of the hands, the elbows, and then you're left with this beautiful, silky, soft skin once you rinse it off in the shower. So this is organic, vegan, and it's a fantastic way to prepare your skin for the tan. Moving on to the body tan, this is hands down the best fake tan that I have used, natural or not. This is the Cacao firming mousse. It's a 1 hour self tan. I like to actually sleep in this. I apply a lighter layer and then I will sleep in it overnight and wash it off in the morning. You can get away with just leaving it on for an hour or two. The reason being is this tan will continue to develop even after you wash it off. The reason why I love this tan so much, well, there's quite a few reasons actually. The first one is it's organic, it's vegan. It's not just a tan that makes your skin look good, it's actually good for your skin. It has organic coffee, blood orange, ginger and mandarin, so that helps with cellulite and promoting smooth skin. So you're also doing something good for your body. You're not just trying to make it look good, you're actually doing something good for it. It's easy to apply. It absorbs quickly and it doesn't leave a big heavy residue on your skin like you would get with a spray tan. It also doesn't really have too much of a smell. I'm yet to come across any tan that has no smell at all, and if they say they have no scent, I'm sorry, but I think they're lying. I've never come across any tan, natural or not, that does not have some sort of scent. But the good thing is once you wash this off, whether it be after 1 to 2 hours or in the morning, there is no trace of that smell once it's gone. So the other big positive for this product is the color has no hint of orange to it. It is a beautiful deep bronze tan and it would suit any skin tone. It's almost undetectable. I have never had anyone say to me, "Oh, did you do a tan?" I've never had anyone ask me that while I'm wearing this. So my number one tip for applying a tan like this is using a tanning mitt. The reason being is if you use your hands, your hand will absorb a lot of the product, leaving you with orange palms, but also you don't want to waste the product. So using a mitt like this, it will glide on smoothly. The mitt is bigger than your hand as well, so it's faster to apply. And I find I have never had, I don't know if it's the tan or the mitt or a mixture of both, but I've never had any patches or unevenness using these products combined. Another reason why mitt is good is you can get to those hard to reach areas if you're applying the tan yourself. So you can reach over and get to those hard to reach back areas a lot easier using a mitt. And it just glides over your skin a lot easier than your hand does. Once your hand starts absorbing product, you're sort of doing that, pulling motion, and that's when you get unevenness and you don't get a smooth application. The next product I wanted to share is a really, really cool tanning product. This is the EcoTan Face Tan Water. This product is fantastic. Again, not only does it give your skin on your face a beautiful glow, but it's actually good for your skin. It doesn't clog your pores. It's also great for acne-prone skin. It contains a lot of soothing ingredients like aloe vera, and it also has like orange peel oil in it, which assists with your spots as well. It will help to kind of exfoliate and calm those areas. I was a little bit worried at first because I like to use a lot of oils on my face at night, and I was worried that it would dry out my skin, but it definitely doesn't feel hydrating, but it doesn't dry out your skin at all. You only need a little bit. I apply this with a flat cotton pad, and I'll only use this 1 to 2 times a week. I don't need to apply this every night, but you can apply it as often as you want until you get the desired color that you're after. So the last product I wanted to mention is the coconut body milk. This is unscented and great for sensitive skin. I think it does have a slight scent, but it's a good scent. It's like a soft, sweet smell. And it's just a beautiful all-round moisturizer for the whole family. Obviously, after you have applied tan and you've washed it off, the next trick is to keep your skin as hydrated as possible so that your tan wears evenly and you don't end up with any flakiness or patchiness as the tan comes off. I like to apply this on my hands, knees, elbows and feet before I apply my tan. Not straight away. I let it sink in for a little while before I apply the tan. But I think one of the other biggest giveaways with wearing a tan is when you have too much buildup on those rougher sort of skin areas, especially around the ankles. I think if you can take a little bit more care around those areas, that's why I use this. It just gives a little bit of a barrier. So regardless of tanning or not, this is a beautiful moisturizer as well. So that's it for my tanning routine and a few tips along the way, sharing the products that I love from EcoTan with you. I would love to hear if you have used any of the products I've mentioned in this video, if there's any others or any other brands that you're aware of that also offer organic, vegan, natural alternatives to tanning. I would love to hear from you in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful as always. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you did, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.